Hi everyone, it's me Jane. Here we are again at my channel, See Jane Drive Results. Today we're starting a brand new project and I'm so excited. So one of the things I really like to do is review things, and I'm going to start reviewing meal kits. And the reason why I'm going to start this is because here I am, one person eating all alone. I am not used to eating unless somebody else needs something to eat. I'm not used to feeding myself. I'm not used to making prepared food for myself. And I can't imagine making an entire gourmet meal for myself, just me. I cannot imagine that. I can make one egg for myself. I can eat a bowl of granola, but I am not going to make myself a big meal. So I am trying to change that around and enjoy some healthier food so I do not starve to death here while I am by myself. And I am tonight going to start with my brand new service, which is Cook Unity. This just got delivered to me. It is this gigantic bag. It had a special on it where it made it like about $150 for a week's worth of food, which is a pretty good deal. Because if I were to go to the store and buy a bunch of gourmet ingredients, it would cost me a lot more. So I'm opening it up for the first time. You're here with me. Here it is. First of all, I noticed it has these nice ice packs. I'm totally going to keep these and freeze them again and maybe use them in the future if I ever go anywhere I need an ice pack. Underneath this, there was actually 18 meals included, or 16 meals included with my meal kits. And I decided on a few additional things as well. So this is what came. I was able to order 20 entrees altogether. I got the keto bulgogi psalm. I got Maggie's braised short rib. I got adobo short rib, Mongolian beef meatballs. They look really nice. They're nicely prepared. They have nice sides. Short rib ragu over pappardelle. Spicy ground pork noodles. Gyro plate with Greek salad. Asian style barbecue pork loin. Slow braised beef short rib. Maple Bergen steak. Stir fry ramen with bulgogi beef. Short rib roast pasta. JG's short rib mac and cheese, barbecue pork shoulder, and that comes with breadcrumbs and mac and cheese, and barbecue chicken, which it looks lovely. It comes with some mac and cheese. So that's the entrees I chose. I did pay for a couple of extras because I wanted to just have extra in case I wanted to eat a lunch here and there, in addition to my dinners. And I haven't tried any yet. So tune back in and join me while I try these out. I hope they're good. They look delicious and I'm really excited. They look way better than frozen food. So thanks again for stopping by and have a great rest of your day. Bye.